Hi, this is Ann from Ann's Crafting Adventures. Today we have a special event. Lauren will be our guest crafter today, and she'll be making this beautiful mandala painted rock. So let's get started. The supplies we'll need for today's craft project are different size styluses, and we've included a pair of dowels here that we've sharpened in the pencil sharpener to give us different sizes that will help us out. Black paint that you'll need to paint the big center circle. 3 other paint colors. We have blue, purple, and white. And something to put your paint in. We have these little cups, but you can also use a paper plate or a paint tray. A rock to paint, and we found this one in our backyard landscaping. Ideally it should be round or roundish and a little bit on the flatter side so it sits pretty well when you're painting. And the last thing you'll need is this big paintbrush, or a bigger paintbrush, that you can use to paint your bigger black circle as the base for your mandala painting. The first thing Lauren's going to do is paint a big black circle on the rock, and then we'll let that dry, and then she can get started with all the detailed dotting of the mandala painting.
So as you can see, I'm just painting a fairly substantial black circle in the center of the rock to make the center of the mandala really pop. So the first thing you want to do is paint a larger white circle in the center, and then in alternating colors you want to dot smaller circles around it. From there, choose one of the 2 colors and create 2 larger dots going outward for each dot of that same color. Then do the same for the other color, but creating 3 dots going outward instead of just 2. Now for the color you only added 2 dots for, mine being purple, you want to create a lighter shade and add 3 more dots on top of the existing 2. And do the exact same for the other color. Next, you want to take the last group of 3 dots you did and create dots looping around the original color, and keep doing that for each of the later dots added. Then you want to take your original 2 colors, mine are purple and blue, and do the same thing as before, but only 1 row of each color. To finish it off, I did a row of standard white to give it a clean, precise finish. The last step is very optional, but I decided to make lighter colors of each of my original ones, and then go over each dot I did of that color to make it really pop and give it a little more definition. And there you have a step-by-step tutorial of how to make a mandala design on a rock.
Here's a close-up of the painted design Lauren did today. Thanks for being our guest crafter today, Lauren. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.